Hey traders, welcome to wetradewaves weekly forex forecast. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you our forecast for euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar yen, along with a lot of forex pairs. On this channel, we explain you our point of view regarding the next moves in the market. Those who are new to wetradewaves channel, our weekly market forecast is published every Saturday at 4 p.m. UK time to help you be on the right side of the trade. So click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and let's dive into the charts. DXY, this was amazing. Last week we showed you all these waves, right? 6 waves in advance. And on our last weekly forex forecast, we said, guys, correction, one more push up. And this is exactly what market did. Those of you who are new to wetradewaves channel, go back and watch our previous video. Now, here was Wednesday, 16th of June. There was the FOMC. And Fed said they might higher interest rates in 2023. But if inflation continue to rise, they might do it early and dollar shoot up. Why I'm mentioning this? Those of you who are taking our subscription service, you remember that from May, we were saying that dollar will shoot up. And this was the last week of May, right? The XY went up, we've got all the structure, and then from here, market went all the way up to 92. And all of you should remember the levels mentioned by T on Sunday sessions. So even before Fed announcement, we knew that dollar will shoot up. And this is the power of wave analysis, guys. 7 waves in advance, hundreds of pips moves, high accuracy, and to the pip levels. Once we go to gold, I will show you that. Not only this, even in euro dollar and euro yen. So I want all of you to keep watching till the end because I will show you few seconds from Sunday sessions. Anyway, how we know all of this and what's behind this high accuracy? It's all about knowledge and experience. So what next for the XY? We're expecting a corrective structure, another push up. Selling the XY from these levels is very dangerous. We can see it going more up. Euro dollar for this one, I hope all of you guys made money with this down wave. If you remember our forecast and what we said regarding euro dollar, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Remember guys, your supportive comments and likes will push us to be here every single week to give you more. Now, for euro dollar, if you remember from here, we said correction, one more push up, and then a fall. And also we said this looks like an ending structure for this down wave. Do you remember that? Now, from here we said correction up, and then another fall. From here we said correction, another down wave. And market went all the way down to 1850. So from 1.2250 to 1.1850, this is almost 400 pips move. Amazing, isn't it? It's not only the direction, when market will be going to the upside, when market will give us an ending structure, when we will get an impulsive wave, and when we will get a corrective structure. In addition to that, we are forecasting the levels. And let me repeat this, it's all about knowledge and experience. And we are getting a lot of messages and emails from our subscription service members. Some of them, guys, they are making thousands of dollars within few weeks, and some of them made more than 180% profits in 1 month. Now, if we go to our Slack group members, we got this message yesterday. He took our June course few weeks ago, and this is what he made. Amazing. Now let me show you how T covered euro dollar in one of the Sunday sessions.
Once market break this top, you make sure you take profit, okay? Because everywhere you go, all the majors are actually showing us the same sort of signs, right? That's the sign that all the majors are showing us, okay? And as soon as market breaks down here, it's going to go to this level here, minimum this level, okay? This level, to test that level.
And this is the market in front of you. Like I said, keep watching till the end. I will show you euro yen and gold. Anyway, those of you who don't know, we have two services at the moment. We have our subscription service. Those are the details, and you can find more on our website homepage. And also we have our June course. So if you are a serious trader who wants to learn from us, don't miss out our June course. Because after the last week of June, we will stop accepting payments. To not take too much time explaining about the course here, all the details are on our website course page. Now what next for EUR/dollar? We're expecting corrective structure, another drop. More details regarding this corrective structure and the next drop will be covered by T on Sunday session. Pound/dollar for this one, we said last week guys, now the structure has been changed to the downside and market went in. Let me explain you more here. This is a running flat. And guess what? Once you master wave analysis, you will know when market will give you a running or expanding flat. And this has nothing to do with flats internals. Alright? This is purely structure and our wave analysis concept. This was also 400 pips move, and we were able to spot this change of structure from here. Remember, we were biased to the upside, but once we saw this structure, we said guys, up, another fall. And this why is very critical guys to follow us on a weekly basis, because structure do change time to time. Again, FOMC was here, and this was on Wednesday. From here, we spot the change of structure. Alright? Wave analysis is analyzing the mass psychology of all market participants, including market makers. And based on our traders' feedbacks, they said that the best investment they have ever made was joining us. What next for pound/dollar? We're expecting a corrective structure upwards for another drop. Buying pound/dollar from here is very dangerous, unless you are a scalper and you know what you are doing here. And some of our traders are scalpers too, so they might be buying this one once they get the opportunity. Aussie/dollar, again and again, another forecast. We start from here up, corrective structure, one more push up, and then this fall. Market went exactly as forecasted. We hope all of you who trade Aussie/dollar get in this sell and made decent profits with this 300 pips move. What next? Corrective structure upwards for another drop. Remember this, after big win or streak of wins, take a break. You don't have to trade every day, enjoy the profits, and then later on you can come back with full energy, and do not be greedy. Because fear and greed guys are your enemies here in this business. So enjoy the profits and you come back later on. Regarding Aussie/dollar, this one, it might be the start of a bigger corrective structure. T will explain you this in details on Sunday session. Dollar/yen, let me show you the power of wave analysis here. We said last week this will be going to the upside and then another drop. And also we said, be careful, this might be a possibility and this wave can go up to break this top one more time. In all the cases, breaking this top or not, we will look for sell setups. Market went up because of FOMC and then it went back down to the same level where all other majors were going for big moves. Dollar/yen went up and then it went back down. Even you have dollar here. And this is the power of wave analysis, knowing how market behaves and reading the structures correctly. Amazing, right? What next for dollar/yen? We're expecting corrective structure upwards for another drop. This is the wave that we will trade. And you know that we do not jump in. We have strategies guys that will give you great risk to reward if you apply them correctly. New Zealand dollar, another one. We sat from here correction up, another drop. This is exactly what market did. Also this was more than 300 pips move, and we can see it going more down. After a corrective structure upwards, another drop is coming. All of you trade New Zealand dollar, we hope you made big profits with this down wave. And guys, I'm expecting most of you to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. We would love to hear your success stories. Pound yen, for this one, we said from here it's going to the downside. Market went in, it gave us a corrective structure, it went back down. And I hope all of you remembered this one, right? This was a contracting triangle and then another push up. This was the last wave to the upside and market starts to go down correctively. After that, we analyzed the structure and we said last week, guys, another push up and this will also be a corrective structure. Market went up correctively, we've got this drop. A lot of before and after were posted on our Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and YouTube community tab. I want all of you to check them. What after this drop? Corrective structure, another fall. This is what we can see next for pound yen. Those of you who are in the sell, you move your stops and let market unfold. If you want to take profits, go for it. There is nothing wrong in taking profits. What I suggest you to do, take partial profits and leave the rest at break even. USOIL, for this one, we were expecting a down wave. Some of our traders got in here, they made profits, and market starts to go up again. In all the cases, every new high will be the potential last high before this drop. And even if you are a scalper, you can make big profits with only this down wave. No matter what type of trader you are, scalper, swing trader, or position trader, wave analysis will help you. This up wave here, we do not like it. More than one possibility, one of them, this will be going to the downside, up, and then down. Another one is this will correct here for another push up. Are we going to buy this? No. Those who are trading USOIL, you wait your sell setups to go for the sell setups. If market will give you one more push up, you go for the sell setups again. This is for those who are trading USOIL. Those of you who are investing, you wait this drop and then you buy it cheaper. Alright? Even if you are investing and you want to take profits from here, there is nothing wrong with that. Like I said, it's always good to take profits. Is that clear, guys? And by the way, these are the lists that are covered on every Sunday. YouTube list as in-depth analysis, indices, other forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and requests. Gold, for this one, guys, we were saying every single week we are looking for this drop, gold will fall, we can see it going down, do not miss this down wave, and this is the chart in front of you. Not only that, T on Sunday sessions was explaining how you should trade it, and he was mentioning 1770 level. Every single week we were following this and we were updating our subscription service members. So all the pairs went as forecasted. Every single pair. There is no better concept than wave analysis. But even inside wave analysis, our concept, wetradewaves concept, is different. And this is the proof in front of you. Guys, we have members in our group who have more than 10 years to 20 years experience. And they were saying to us that our course and our community is the best of the best. And remember, it's not only about the course. Our guidance during the live sessions is a next level guidance. And the tips and guidelines that we share internally, we do not share it on YouTube. Anyway, for gold, we are expecting a corrective structure upwards for another drop. And last week, we mentioned this pattern for you. Let me show you now a few seconds how T was covering gold on Sunday session.
At any point, you would expect market to start to go back down. I'll show you the bigger picture now today. Why I'm showing you this one here now is because you would see that going back again to the monthly. Well, now this might actually go back up a little bit more, but we are not interested in that, right? We are interested in this one because we know that this is happening. This is coming. So when this is coming, you would expect this to come back down here. And when this comes here, I want all of you to be in that.
And this is the market in front of you. Those of you who want to learn and master our wave analysis concept, you can join our June course. We will share with you all our knowledge, we will train and guide you, and you will get a lifetime access to our private Slack group and our in-depth analysis service. Remember, it's an interactive course and a lot of live sessions will be conducted. The guidance through the live sessions is a next level guidance. Few days left because soon we will stop taking new payments for June course. Anyway, all the details are on our website course page. Dollar CAD, how many of you guys remember this forecast? We were saying from here every new low will be the potential last low, and market went up. We've got a corrective structure, we've got this up wave. The way market is going up here, we do not like it. Even if market will drop, we will not sell it. And I was telling you, if you are in the buy, you move your stops and let market unfold. From here last week, we were expecting market to give us a corrective structure, another push up. This was a small corrective structure, market went down. Those who are scalpers and went for this sell, this must have been a break-even trade for you. And even if you know how to manage your trades, after this up and corrective structure, you'll be able to close your trade for break-even and look for buy setups. I don't want to go into details here on how to manage the trade, how to get in once you have a change of structure. After FOMC, market went all the way up. Always keep in mind the bigger picture. Now imagine you are in from here or from here. This will be a huge move, and in one single trade, you can make more than 20 to 1. One single trade. What next? Corrective structure downwards, another up wave. So this is a reversal, correction, another push up. Selling dollar CAD from these levels is very dangerous. Those of you who are in the buy, you move your stops and let market unfold. Now let me show you guys Euro-Yen forecast covered by T on our last Sunday session.
We'll be looking for a buy setup in Euro-Yen. So you would be looking for a push up. Once market gives you the push up, check the price action somewhere around this level, 400 to 600. If market stays there, gives you a corrective structure, another push up is coming to break this top here. Okay. But if it doesn't do that from this level, you might actually see a breakdown. Okay.
So to the pip, knowing the waves, when market will correct and when market will give you a sharp move. Silver, for this one, we said last week correction, another drop, and market went down. So this was the move last week, and this is also posted on all our social media platforms. Now the way market is going here is sharp. This means correction, another drop. And from here I was telling you guys, if you are trading silver, you look for sell setups. Market went down, it gave us a corrective structure, it went back down. Another corrective structure, it went back down. Amazing. 100% accuracy. All the pairs, every single one of them. Even for Bitcoin. From here we said, guys, this might be a contracting triangle for this drop. Market went down, but we didn't get this break. But market went in the direction as expected. After that, we've got this up move. We said last week correction, one more push up. Market gave us this corrective structure, it went back up. So wave analysis works on every single tradable asset, Forex, indices, stocks, commodities, and even cryptocurrencies. So we hope all of you guys made money last week. All what we are asking for is a like, comment, and share. Let everyone see the power of wave analysis. Most traders, they start to trade, they lose big, and then they decide to learn. Don't be most traders. You have to learn first, and then you risk your money. And by the way, guys, our June course is an interactive course. Once you make the payment, you will be added to our private Slack group, and you will receive instructions on how to access the course materials in order to be ready for the live and practical sessions. And remember this, guys, the guidance through the live sessions is a next level guidance. With that note, I wish you a successful trading week. Thanks for watching. We hope that you learned something new. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, this is very important. Leave a comment, stay safe, trade with care, and see all of you next week.